We're looking now at a fascinating early 18th century map by Herman Moll, very well known, London in cartographer and geographer, as well as engraver. This is China, Korea, Japan, and Land of Jesso. It's issued approximately 1726 in London. We'll take a look at the condition in more detail in a moment, but what we see going across here is the Great Wall of China, annotated as such. Japan is fascinating in that it appears to be unknown whether it joins the Land of Jesso, which then is unknown if it actually joins the continent of Asia here. It's parts unknown, it's so-called labeled, and here we see at the edge Company's Land, which was a giant mythical island that appears on many maps of this vintage. If we turn this over, we see the map remains relatively well preserved, although all along this side here there has been old paper laid down underneath the map to back this little area of loss here, and this little top blank margin lost there. This lower margin is as issued because the map would have been originally folded like so, and then again at some point into whatever work it appeared in. And so we offer it as we acquired it and as it survives, and it's currently now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.